Western AI reliance on Chinese models. A hidden trend, the $29.3 billion AI coding tool Cursor has been revealed to be built on top of Kimi K25, an open-source model developed by Chinese startup Moonshot AI, backed by Alibaba and Tencent. This disclosure, brought to light by developer Fin on X, exposes a larger issue. Western AI companies are increasingly relying on Chinese foundation models due to a performance gap in Western alternatives. While Cursor initially omitted this detail, co-founder Ammon Sanger later acknowledged it was an oversight. The core problem isn't just about Cursor's disclosure failure, but why Western firms are turning to Chinese models in the first place. The open model vacuum. Why China dominates Kimi K25 boasts 1 trillion parameters with 32 billion active, a 256,000 token context window, and strong performance in agentic benchmarks. This makes it competitive with top models globally, especially for advanced coding tasks. The model's permissive MIT license allows commercial use, further incentivizing adoption. However, Western open model options have lagged behind. Meta's Llama 4 Scout and Maverick were inadequate, and the anticipated Llama 4 Behemoth remains indefinitely delayed. Google's Gemma 3 topped out at 27 billion parameters, insufficient for frontier-class coding agents. OpenAI's GPT-OS models, while impressive, lack the sheer scale required for demanding applications. The key lies in intelligence density. Kimi K25's 32 billion active parameters provide the raw cognitive capacity needed for complex tasks. In contrast, OpenAI's GPT-OS 120B activates only 5.1 billion parameters per token, which is efficient but potentially too thin for structural coherence in long-running coding sequences. Beyond scale, Western models have exhibited post-training brittleness, prone to catastrophic forgetting during aggressive reinforcement learning. Cursor's 4x scale-up in training compute demands a stable foundation, making Kimi K25 a more reliable choice. What Cursor actually built? Beyond attribution, Cursor didn't just apply a UI to Kimi. The company invested heavily in continued training, with roughly 25% of compute from the base model and 75% from its own work. Their self-summarization technique addresses context overflow in long tasks, compressing working memory to avoid errors. This method cuts compaction errors by 50% compared to prompt-based baselines. Demonstrating this capability, Composer 2 solved the original Doom compilation task for MIPS architecture in 170 turns, outperforming many frontier models. The tool also scores significantly higher on Cursor Bench and Terminal Bench 2, proving its superior performance. Moonshot AI confirmed the authorized commercial partnership through Fireworks AI, clarifying that no intellectual property was stolen. The use of Kimi K25 was fully licensed. Governance concerns. Transparency and supply chains. The silence around Kimi's role initially stemmed from Cursor's valuation as an AI research company, not just an integration layer. The Chinese provenance raised sensitivity in the strained US-China AI relationship, with customers demanding supply chain transparency. The broader issue is the industry's reliance on foundations built by others. OpenAI, Meta, and every model depend on layers of prior work. The question is what companies disclose, with incentives favoring obscurity, especially when the foundation comes from China. The Western open model gap is closing. The gap is narrowing, with NVIDIA releasing Nematron 3 Super, 120 billion parameters, 1 million token context, and Nematron Cascade 2, 30 billion parameters, gold medal competition performance. These models ship with open weights and training datasets, addressing the transparency concerns highlighted by the Cursor case. The future, Provenance Matters. The Cursor Kimi episode reveals a recurring pattern. AI companies building specialized applications on open foundations will face scrutiny over their origins. The Western open model gap is closing, but for now, many AI products rely on Chinese foundations. Decision-makers must evaluate their vendors, transparency, compliance, and licensing practices. Ultimately, the question isn't just about technical preference, but about enterprise governance. The industry is moving toward greater transparency, and the provenance of AI models will continue to matter.